Welcome to Ghani Fatty Digital, where future billionaires are built.
Never, never, never give up. Time and money are largely interchangeable terms. Personally, I'm always ready to learn, although I do not always like being taught. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Every man should ask himself each day whether he is not too readily accepting negative solutions. The price of greatness is responsibility. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. It's also what it takes to sit down and listen.